जब बंगाल में शूटिंग के दौरान थी तो वहाँ पे कोई बंगाली पैटर्न की ज्वेलरी ये आपको पसंद आई, आपने खरीदी ऐसी कुछ?
खरीदी तो नहीं, आप लोग गिफ्ट करेंगे तो आई डोंट माइंड, बट इट इज़ डेफिनेटली यूनिक बिकॉज ऑफ द एसोसिएशन. यू नो, मुझे आई गॉट टू सी हाउ South Indian designs are very different from the Bengali designs. वो मुझे देखने को मिला, and very very unique. And I'm very, you know, I want to thank you for this association. In fact, you know, I play a Bengali character, and I think, yeah, and yeah. So I think the fact that I play a Bengali character and their designs are very very true to that. So I think it was a natural association.
Deepika, apart your cups and your rings, what do you like, gold or diamonds?
Did I hear you say cubs? Oh, cuffs. Sorry, we're just talking so much about cubs. Still the odd cups. Sorry.
Diamonds or gold?
So I was like cubs and gold. I didn't understand. Tough. I know they say a diamond is a girl's best friend, but I'm also South Indian, so I'm partial to gold. So I'm a bit confused. Very disappointed with my response. Now today you're like, what did she say? Yeah. Yeah. Well, it's Piku's world. First of all, Piku is a pet name. Is a Bengali, very, very common pet name. And I didn't know this until very recently. It's used for girls and for boys. And I think that actually says a lot for my character in the film, because she is the boy and girl of the house in a sense. She's, you know, of course she's a daughter, but she's very, very, what do I say? She runs the house. You know, she has to take care of her father. She goes to work in the daytime. She's an architect by profession. So I think the name itself says a lot. And why is it Piku? Because it's Piku's world. It follows her life, her journey, how she tries to multitask, and the various aspects of her life. That's why it's called Piku.
We'll have
Deepika
the last
here.
2 questions, please.
Deepika here. Hello, I'm Simran Singh from Bollywood Nazar. Hi. My question to you is, wow.
Why?
Okay. My question to you is, Piku in the movie, Piku is the main supporter of the family, according to the movie.
I first want to know your reaction to this awe that happened.
It's nice. Huh? It's nice. I'm talking to you and they're saying, oh, so it's nice. Isn't it?
They said it for you, not for me, so I don't know.
Okay, so my question to you is, in the movie, Piku is the one who supports the family, who holds the family. In your life, who is the biggest Piku? Your mom or dad or your brother, sister? Who pampered you as well as disciplined you?
All 3 of them, my mom, my dad, and my sister. I know they love me to death, like any parent would love their child. And my sister, she loves me. But they're also my biggest critics. They'll be extremely honest about everything that they feel. And yeah, I think I've been thinking a lot about them this whole week, because this film is making me do that, you know. It's making me miss my family a lot. Yeah, just now. I'll give you prasad later.
Our last question, please.
Zakir Sisodia from Makrana magazine.
November, I have another film release. I'll be going before that also if you want to come.
Yeah.
See, it's something I've been doing from the start of my career. In fact, जब से मैं मुंबई आई थी, तब से मैं, you know, I go very, very religiously. I go on my birthday and I go before every release. That way, though, I go every day because I can see it directly from my bedroom. So, from my apartment, I can see it. It's right there. So, yeah.
शंकर सेन से मेरा सवाल है, जाकिर सिसोदिया फ्रॉम मकराना मैगजीन. सेनको का मतलब क्या होता है?
सेन एंड कंपनी. This belongs to Sen family. That's why it's Senko.
No, I don't think it's unfair at all. I honestly believe that as a celebrity, there is curiosity, and I completely understand that, and I fully respect that also. I think it's up to every individual how much of that aspect of their life they want people to know. I try and keep it as guarded as possible.
I think that will be the last question.
Why is that? See, I think one, because that's not my profession, that's not my job, that's not what I do. At the end of the day, I think people remember you for your body of work, the work that you leave behind. Secondly, I think any equation in your life is based on human emotion. These things are extremely fragile, and you want to protect it, you want to safeguard it, you want to keep it as pure as possible.
Thank you very much.
Hello, Deepika.
I think that will be it, ladies and gentlemen.
Very, very little. How much Bengali I've spoken for that, आपको कल देखने को मिलेगा when you watch the film. But yeah, my mother tongue is Konkani actually. I speak a lot of Konkani at home. I think she should, for the first time, exclusive, huh? She should give you one dialogue because this is her first appearance, if I may say. I'll translate it. Okay. No, you say it in Bengali, I'll translate it. Keep it simple, huh? Janjal.
বুড়ো বাবা কত জঞ্জাল which means
Old father
मतलब
is a
headache বুড়ো বাবা কত জঞ্জাল
You know, having said
Old
that, I want to
father.
say, even without her saying it, just the way she emoted and she expressed, I find that's the beauty of language. It's not really the language that you use, but true emotions, I think you don't need any language. Like how, for example, when you talk about love, you know, there's so many different ways of expressing it. I think I think language is just the medium. I think whatever you're trying to convey as a person, there's so much that just the emotion expresses, that language is just a medium.
Hello, Deepika.
I think we're. I'm sorry, that'll be
Hello, Deepika. एज अ डायरेक्टर सुजीत सरकार के साथ आपका बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. मैं आपसे जानना चाहूँगी, चेन्नई एक्सप्रेस में रोहित शेट्टी में आपने ऐसी कौन सी क्वालिटी देखी एज अ डायरेक्टर? रोहित शेट्टी,
हाँ.
एज अ डायरेक्टर आप उनमें कौन सी क्वालिटी मानती
You
हैं?
missed attending the Chennai Express press conference, I think.
ना.
I think Rohit's greatest strength and quality, that other than of course his professional and the movies that he makes, I think that is there for all to see. I think is humility. He's an extremely simple person, extremely warm and very, very humble. And that's what I remember from that experience.
I think that will be it. Thank you so much, ladies
Thank
and
you.
gentlemen. Thank you very much.
thank you so much